Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Urwa Idris. Usman Nafi. My matric number is BI 240039. Now I want to create a file. I will use VI my file dot txt. Okay, this is my file already is empty. I want to paste my words. Okay, now okay, I will try it by I want to out from the file. I will use WQ. Okay. Already now I'm out. Uh, I will see what I have in my file. I will use cut uh, my my online learning dot txt enter. Okay, these are my words. Okay, now I want to print because I don't have a printer. I will use LBR my online learning dot txt. Okay, that is all. Thanks.